Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to disconnect a store from Printful. Okay, so do you need to link the store from Printful? Okay, so whether you are moving platforms or just cleaning house, I'm just going to walk you through exactly how to disconnect step by step. The first thing that you like to do is to log into your Printful account. And once you're done, it's going to take you to this home page. So from this home page, navigate to the left navigation menu. And from the options you find, go ahead and click on stores, and that's going to walk you right into the stores window. In the stores window, find the store that you wish to remove. This could be Shopify, Etsy, Wix, Band2Go, or even the stores that you manually created. Once you find the store, let's say for example I want to disconnect this, click the three dots menu or ellipsis icon that is next to that store. Then once you click on that, it's going to take you here where you have store settings. Select store settings and it takes you to the store settings. Now from all of these options, you'll like it to scroll all the way down and you're going to find store default setting, selling preferences. You have remove store. So right under remove store, you're going to find this remove button. Now go ahead and click on remove. Once you select remove, you will see that it says, you have this banner that says, do you want to permanently delete your store, my store? She'll go ahead and confirm by selecting delete store. On platforms like Band2Go, of course, you have this banner that says store removed successfully, so the store has been removed. But on platforms like Band2Go or Weebly or Weebly, the option appears directly via a disconnect button within the app panel. So that's pretty much it. Printful remove the connection and NSYNC products will be deactivated. For Shopify, Wix, Etsy, Squarespace, you may see residual listings, remove leftover product listings, or uninstall the Printful app for a clean break. Then for WordPress or WooCommerce, revoke Printful's REST API credentials under WooCommerce. So under WooCommerce, click on settings, click on advanced, click on REST API and revoke it. Now disconnect if you're switching POD providers, rebranding or cleaning up on new store connections. Removing ensures no new orders are unintentionally sent to Printful. So go over the tutorial from top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done and begin to go, I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.